Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we got our hands on the Amazon Halo Band, which I believe is its response to the Fitbit. Let's show you the side here. This is the back. Looks like you only need an iPhone or an Android device with internet connection and Bluetooth. Here's the other side. So you can see what's included is the band, the sensor, the charging clip, and a 6-month Halo membership. That's pretty cool. I like that it's swim proof. Here's the bottom. Then the top. Alright, let's go ahead and get this open. Very artful little box here. So you can see the Amazon symbol on the box right away. Looks a little bit like a Fitbit, but on the inside instead of the outside. So you can see the sensors there. That looks like something to charge it with. Velcro, that's pretty cool. Feels very soft, feels very premium. Okay, and we got assuming basic instructions. Okay, and then on the back we have the product information, compliance. All right. So we have a clip, looks like. And a USB charger. Oh, looks like it's a clip-based charging station. Oh, that's pretty fancy. Do you see how it just clips in like that? Put it in like that, it clips. That's good for keeping it in place. I always had trouble with my Fitbit, or if the connector was at an angle, it would slide off sometimes. Oh, that's a good health motto to be on. All right, that looks like the pre-released Halo Band. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys next time.